Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to ride with my hobby horses, Vanera and Casper. I'm already prepared. Both of them are ready to go. Today is a really nice day. I hope we have a great time. Vanera had days off. She's a little sped up. Casper is calm, great. Are we ready to gallop? The best feeling. So much flat land, great for galloping. There is a cat in the grass, ... She probably hid because of the noise of the horse riding. Vanera is tense. Don't be afraid. It's here somewhere inside.
Well done. Good job, girl.
We think we'll gallop a little in a minute.
Three, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go, Casper.
We had a break and Vanera rolled on the floor.
Krzyżek, Lauretta, prva birca, druga birca, pa gremo krenim. Stali križ in kar križek, tale ubira in pa še tale cik, da to čisto majhen.
The obstacles are small, so there is no problem.
sorry, it looks like something went wrong and the recording wasn't saved.
We jumped for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to come back a second time and take some photos.
But now it's time to gallop. Thank you all for watching. If you have an idea for a new video, write it in the comments.